Welcome to the new episode of Deal Unboxing. Today we are reviewing and unboxing Hisense H8F 4K ULED Android Smart TV. Hisense has been in the TV business for a while now. With the current H8 series, they are about to challenge the manufacturers like Samsung, Sony in the ever-growing market of smart TVs. Hisense H8 series is offering high-quality product at a very reasonable price. Currently, H8F is the company's best value TV and offers both Android TV and company's ULED technology that it claims to offer better contrast and performance. So please stick around till the end of this video to see how it performs. TV arrived very well packed, with enough packaging to make sure TV won't get damaged during transport. Hisense H8F speaks premium, and TV stand is no exception as well. Hisense H8F is a great looking TV. Whichever model you choose, the screen is surrounded by relatively thin bezels around the top and sides, and a slightly larger bezel at the bottom. The screen comes in three different sizes: 50-inch, 55-inch, and 65-inch. Starting price $399. The TV comes with voice remote, batteries, and a user manual. The size of the remote is large and easy to use and logically laid out. On the back of the TV there are a nice section of ports, including 4 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. Hisense H8F runs Android, and setting up the Android TV is simple and quick. The interface is clean and everything works better if you sign on with Google account, then enable features like Google Assistant. Once everything is up and running, you may be prompted to install an update. I personally like Android TV interface, but it is resource hog. Hisense has done a great job to address it with proper CPU power, but it is not as powerful as Sony X1 chip powering its Android TV. Hisense has some preset picture options, including energy saving, standard, vivid, theater day and night, game, and sports mode. You can also adjust or calibrate the settings. If you like to play games, then game mode offers higher response time. Hisense new ULED technology defined as having at least 700 nit peak brightness, full array local dimming, and a wide color gamut. H8F series has up to 60 dimming zones and a 60 Hz refresh rate. We feel ULED offers far deeper black and more vivid colors than you would on a standard LED TV. In some cases, 4K video test, it feels more close to an OLED TV at a far more affordable price. Hisense H8F comes with the internal storage of 4.2 GB and running Android 8.0 operating system, which gives you access to complete Android settings. On the main screen, you can add shortcuts to your favorite apps, and there are a ton of pre-installed apps like Netflix, Fandango, YouTube, etc., and allows you to customize the home screen to your liking. H8F comes with the voice remote, and you can access Google Assistant by pressing the voice button on the remote and speak into it. Our YouTube 4K HDR video content test produced great picture quality, and since Hisense support 802.11 AC dual band Wi-Fi, streaming 4K content and higher bitrate wasn't a problem. As mentioned before, Hisense H8F running Android operating system allows you to access Google Android App Store, and you can install any app or game available in the App Store. We test the TV to be used as a PC monitor, and to our surprise, the results were excellent. Hisense has an excellent low input lag, but in order to achieve it, you need to switch TV to game mode. It does not support 120Hz at any resolution due to the 60Hz panel, but can display full chroma in all of its supported resolutions. The text looks sharp and TV has a good response time, which makes it a great alternate to be used as a 4K PC monitor. Overall, Hisense H8F is simply the best 4K smart TV in its price range. TV offers great image quality, deep black levels, and excellent colors, and Android operating system all in an affordable package. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.